If you happen to lack administrative access to a business manager, perhaps you are currently working with agency accounts or simply cannot obtain an API token for some other reason, you can now connect your various setups in a different way by utilizing an Antidetect browser session. To do this, you'll need to install our extension once for each profile. Go to the Setups section and click Add Setup. In the window that opens, switch to the Session tab and click Download. This downloads an archive with our extension. Unzip it to a convenient location on your computer. Next, open the profile you want to connect to Cabinet.Partners. Click the extension icon in the top right corner of the browser and select Manage Extensions. The extension management page will open. In the top right corner, toggle on Developer Mode. Then click Load Unpacked on the left and select the folder with the unzipped extension. If everything is done correctly, Cabinet Session Extractor will appear in the list of extensions. This means the extension is installed. Open Ads Manager and be sure to go to the Campaigns tab. This is important. The extension reads data specifically from this page. Please wait patiently for the page to finish loading completely. Next, click the extension icon located in your browser's toolbar and a small pop-up window will appear with a Copy Session Bundle button. Simply click it, the button will turn green and display Copied. The session data is now copied to your clipboard. Go back to Cabinet.Partners. In the Session Bundle field, click Paste, and the data will be entered automatically. If everything went well, the status will turn green, and the token, cookies, and user agent will be displayed. If the status is red instead of green, it means the session has expired. The fix is simple. You need to refresh the Facebook session. Simply log out of your Facebook account and then log back in again. Next, navigate back to the Ads Manager tab, refresh the page, and wait for the Campaigns tab to finish loading completely. Finally, click on the extension once more, copy the bundle, and paste it in one more time. Next, fill in the name, for example, the profile name and the proxy. In the proxy field, enter the proxy for this profile. If you're using SOX5, type SOX5 docs at the beginning, click Check. If the proxy is working, a green proxy is working message will appear with the IP address and response time. Next, click Add. As you can see, the new setup has appeared in the Your Setups section with the type Antidetect session. After this, the system needs about 15 minutes to sync. During this time, Cabinet.Partners will load all your ad accounts, fan pages, and pixels linked to this social account. Once synced, the setup is fully ready to go.